Congratulations on recording your campaign video. The next step is to upload your video to YouTube. Once you've successfully uploaded your video in YouTube, you will get the link to your video and email it to Mobile Salon Network. Here are the steps to upload your salon fundraiser video for your campaign to YouTube, and how to get the link to your video. Once you have recorded your video on your phone, it should be in your gallery. Open the YouTube app on your phone. At the bottom of the screen, click the plus icon. At the bottom of the screen, click on Video. It will take you to your gallery. Select your video. Click Next. On this screen, type in the title of your video. Then click on the arrow next to Visibility Public. Click on Unlisted if you do not want this video to be visible on your YouTube channel. Click Next. Click No, it's not made for kids. At the bottom of the screen, click Upload Video. Click on the three dots next to your video. Click Share to get the link for your video. Click Copy Link. You'll see your link has now been copied. The last step is to email the link to your video to info@mobilesalonnetwork.com or just hit reply to the most recent email you received from the Mobile Salon Network. Type a quick message to let them know you would like to add this video to your campaign. That's it. You're all done.